welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Glad to have you. My name is Angelimar, and today I have a Boxycharm unboxing and try on. I created this look using the products in my box. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box that costs $21, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And what that means is that there could be 4 full-size products and the 5th could be deluxe size, which means it's just a mini version of the real size. And usually every single month the value of the box is more than $100, so that's bang for your buck, which is why I love it so much. This month's box was pretty good. I'm not as excited as I have been for previous boxes, but they are pretty good things in here. Every month they always have a theme, and this month's theme is Boxycharm Getaway. Super cute. Love the design, so cute. And on the back they have all the items in your box and their costs and like a description of them. So the first thing that was in the No Problem Prime Essence Primer from Touch and Soul. It says it lets your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence, infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And this primer is $23, because we have gotten another primer from them. It's the No Problem primer, and this is like an actual like mattifying primer, while this is more like a dewy healthy skin type of primer. And it's very liquidy, and it's a weird applicator, but it's fun and it's nice and cooling. So if you have this in like the fridge, it's very liquidy. If you have it in like the fridge and when you put it on, it probably feels great. Then there was this Steve Laurent jelly highlighter, and I honestly, when I was trying it, I went in with a brush because I didn't like realize it said jelly, and I was like, okay, this is getting weird and not really coming off on the brush, but it was still coming off on my skin. I looked at it and I realized it said jelly, and then that's when I went in with my finger and it came off way better. It's honestly a stunning highlight. It's a really stunning highlight. It's, for my skin tone, it's just slightly too dark, but it's still beautiful. I mean, if it's not in the light, you can definitely see like the brown goldness of it, but it's still pretty. And I'll definitely be using it. And it says it's $26, and it says this jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. Oh, water resistant? That's interesting. Watch it glide on with ease using your favorite brush, or simply dab it on with your finger for an effortless glow. So yeah, it does go on with your brush. You just have to like apply it several times, but you can also use your finger, which is best. And then I went in with the brush. It's so pretty. Tarte High Performance Naturals Be You Naturally Eyeshadow Palette, which just says it's packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte. Your new Tarte Be You Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. And it is $36. It is a very natural palette, which I'm not into. It's okay. I mean, it's definitely for me, it would be a great travel palette and a palette that I use every day for sure. But is it a palette that I would actually want to pick up on its own to create a look? No. And today I did use 6 out of the 8 shades. Let's see. It is very blendable, and because it's like so blendable, it's very buildable, and you do have to pack on a lot of color to get the color payoff. So it is literally a very natural palette, but really love the cute packaging. So cute. Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss, and I got the shade Strawberry Lemonade. And oh my goodness, let me tell you, this smells so good. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. Like, smells so good, so good. Which is $17, which is not too bad. That's a really good price for a lip gloss. It says add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over a favorite lipstick. So yeah, it is pink, but it's such a light, it's very sheer, so it does give like the slightest bit of color, but not too much. It is pretty on by itself, which is how I have it on now, and I'm sure it looks so pretty over any lipstick because it is so sheer, so I don't think it would mess with any other lipstick color. And then the last thing was Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and they gave us 3 of them, which is really exciting. I've actually been wanting to try like under eye masks, so I'm really pretty glad that I got these. And it says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. Oh, that sounds fancy. It sounds nice. So I'm excited. I'll definitely, also this is another thing that I'll probably like pop in the fridge before I use it, and it'll probably feel amazing. And this is $13, which is not too bad, but definitely I think if it's like $13 for each, personally that's not in my budget, but it's not the worst ever for sure. So yeah, those are all my items. I got the box number 7. So I'm really happy with these products, definitely for the lip gloss, because I really want to build up my lip gloss collection. I used to not like lip glosses, so I don't really have much, but I'm definitely into lip glosses now. Love the highlighter, super pretty even though it's still slightly dark. The palette is definitely going to be a travel palette for me. And yeah, I'm really excited to use the under eye patches, and hopefully you like this look that I created. Here's a little so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for those who are already subscribed and constantly commenting and showing me love. I love you all. You're amazing. And see you next time. Bye.